What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a beautiful girl, and I guess she is sitting in the living room with these details. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the new costume like a Sailor Moon, and also the details such as the hairstyle and also the costume also over here. How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it with the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to try another platform, it is very okay and you can do the exploration with it. And don't worry, because I will also share you the prompt to create this transformation, guys. And the next step is you can start to click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, you can start to upload your reference picture or your selfie picture. And for example, this one. And after that, I will start to put the prompt into this section. For example, this is the transformation we have. And the main thing I put in this prompt is the keeping the original face of this woman. Keep the exact same face, facial structure, freckles and skin texture, expression, lighting, and camera angle from the original input photo. And also I will not change the identity at all. Transform only the styling. Change the hairstyle into the Sailor Moon inspired with a twin buns with a long blonde twin tails. And also same glossy anime hair texture if you zoom in over here. And also the golden forehead tiara with a red gem, and also a red choker with gold circle charm. And also change the outfit into the glossy Sailor Moon school uniform style, and also with navy white and navy blue sailor color with the red bow in the front. Oh, I mean this one. This is the red choker with the gold circle charm. And also the background, I keep it to remain the same as the cozy boho living room. And you can also add the detail like the hyper realistic portrait photography at K detail. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this transformation from this one to become this one. However, you can also have the different look, maybe a little bit different look, but still in the one theme, that is change this woman into the Sailor Moon style, like this, guys. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.